Hi there, welcome to episode 120 of the Daily Shed. And today I want to talk about one octave scale, starting on the G string. A lot of times when people think about a major scale, they think about starting on one of the lower two scales. But getting really comfortable with the top strings of your guitar is really important, especially when it comes to soloing, but also just when it comes to just playing chords and knowing the guitar better. Having the scales be really comfortable is really important. I think one way to do that is to have other scale patterns comfortable. This is just a very simple one, major scale, and I'll show you first in C. So starting on the 5th fret of the G string, simple as that, and going back down again. It's very simple, but I would encourage you to go through and do that for the entire throughout the entire guitar. Through all keys, and just always know where you're at. Just find your root on the G string. There's A, B, C, D, and so on and so forth. And just get very, very comfortable with that scale. Know all the notes in it, and be comfortable with starting that anywhere. Again, I find that people often also know the roots on the bottom strings very well because of, bar chords. But then when it comes up to these strings, especially getting up here, it's a little bit slower. So this will also help you get to know the guitar fingerboard a little bit better. Again, just a very simple scale pattern. And even just starting up at the top and going down, being comfortable with it, and always knowing what key you're in. I hope this is useful to you. As always, let me know any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.